All right, just to make sure everybody's following along here, I'm in modules. I'm using Firefox right now because for some reason my internet or my Chrome is not working. But remember, with Connect and with SimNet, you have to use Chrome. It just works better, especially when you're doing the trainings. But for some reason, modules work really good in Firefox, so I'm just using Firefox just because it's me. So I click on modules, and I'm going down to our day. I wanted to show you two things. First off, please do not forget that in all these lectures I have Excel video instructions and Word video instructions and Access and PowerPoint. You just click on them, and I provide the actual tutorials to the exact projects that we're doing. You can go step by step. It's very easy. It links you to YouTube, and away you go. So if you go in here, you'll see here it comes. This is going to tell you how to do it. Okay. So all these are provided for you. I'm going to go back. They're under modules. And for some reason, those will work in any browser. But we also have lectures. So like Chapter 2 lectures, let's go into, right down here it says Class Lectures. So I click on it. And I scroll down to Chapter 2. And you will see the little swirly thing goes. And I can go through and listen to the whole lecture. It's really good stuff. The whole thing. You'll even see that I have questions that you really need to answer inside these lectures, and it's going to help a lot. So the two things I wanted to show you there, I have step-by-step tutorials for every one of our projects we're going to do. There's no guessing about it. It's there, except for your tests. I also have lectures for every assignment, for every chapter. They're right here. If they do not work, right here, if they do not work, the top one, I don't like the YouTube versions, haven't updated those, but you can watch the watch lecture, the top link on each one works. If it doesn't work for some reason in Chrome, open in Firefox. It'll be there. All right. Hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later.